Why does this keep happening? Ever feel like you fix a problem at work, and then 2 weeks later it comes right back? That's not bad luck. And it's not because your team is lazy. It's because you treated a symptom, but you never touched the root cause. Today, we are fixing that for good. Most of us are stuck in the fix-it loop. Something breaks, we patch it, and we move on. But the 5 Whys technique is how you break that loop. It's a simple, powerful tool used by the world's biggest companies to stop problems from ever coming back. And the best part? It takes less than 5 minutes. This isn't just management fluff. This method was born on the factory floors of Toyota. Seikichi Toyoda, the founder, used this to build the most reliable production system in the world. He realized that if you don't ask why enough times, you're just putting a band-aid on a broken bone. To get to the truth, you have to peel back the layers, usually about 5 of them. The concept is deceptively simple. You start with one specific problem statement. Then you ask, why did this happen? You write down the answer. Then you ask, why, to that answer. You repeat this 5 times until you hit something actionable, a root cause you can actually control. But before you start, you have to follow 3 golden rules. Rule number 1, no blame. This is critical. The 5 Whys is about the process, not the person. If you ask why is the report late, and the answer is because Mike is lazy, you have failed. The goal is to find what in the system allowed the report to be late. Rule number 2, deal in facts, not guesses. Don't say I think they didn't know. Say no email was sent. And rule number 3, stop when you can control the fix. If your 5th why is because the economy is bad, you've gone too far. You can't fix the economy. You can fix your sales strategy. Now, let's use this for your career. This is powerful. Let's say the problem is, I didn't get the promotion I wanted. Why number 1, why? Because the manager said I lacked leadership experience. Why number 2, why do I lack experience? Because I never volunteered to lead major projects. Why number 3, why didn't I volunteer? Because I was too busy doing my daily operational tasks perfectly. Why number 4, why was I so buried in daily tasks? Because I never delegated or automated my routine work. Why number 5, why no delegation? Because I thought doing everything myself proved I was a hard worker. This is a breakthrough. The root cause wasn't that your boss doesn't like you. The root cause is your mindset. You thought busy meant promotable. The fix? Spend the next quarter automating your routine tasks to free up 20% of your time. Then use that time to lead one new initiative. That is how you get promoted. You can even use this at home. Problem: I'm always late to work. Why? I can't find my keys. Why? They aren't in the same spot. Why? I drop them wherever I land when I walk in. Why? I don't have a specific landing zone. Why? There's no table or hook by the door. The fix? Buy a $5 hook. Install it by the door. Problem solved forever. Be careful of these traps. Don't stop at human error. Human error is almost never the root cause. It's usually a confusing interface or a tired employee. And don't jump to conclusions on the first why. Force yourself to go deeper. It's uncomfortable, but that's where the gold is. Here's your 5-minute action plan for this week. Step 1, write down the problem clearly. Step 2, ask why 5 times, writing down each answer. Step 3, stop when you hit a process you can fix. Step 4, implement that fix immediately. Now, we only scratched the surface today. If you are serious about management or getting promoted, you need to go to the source. The 5 Whys comes from the Toyota production system, and the book, The Toyota Way, is practically the gold standard for efficiency. It changed how I look at problems completely. It's a must-read for any future leader. You don't have to live with recurring problems. Pick one annoyance today, just one, and ask why. You'll be shocked at what you find. If this video helped you think differently, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips to master your work life. See you in the next one.
Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.